I'll be showing you guys how to achieve this fabulous curly hairstyle. It's all mine, y'all. Duh. Nah, I'm playing. They're clip-ins, but it looks like mine, right? Today our special guest is going to be none other than CutiePieTresses. So you guys have lately, within the year, been experimenting with clip-ins and everything like that, and I had the honor to work with this brand. I honestly am so excited about this hair. I love this hair. It looks so natural. So many people cannot tell that it's not my hair, and I always wanted that look, especially when it comes to curly hair. And I wanted a texture that's very similar to my hair. Look at the texture, y'all. This is my hair right here. You see it? What? And this is the hair. So you guys literally cannot tell the difference. So this is 20-inch deluxe Coily Clip-ins. I love them. It came with 7 in a pack. First, I want to show you guys the packaging it came in. CutiePieTresses. I love that it represents natural hair, and I love that it's pink. I love, love, love packaging, so they sold me on this. I also love how smooth and light this hair texture is. I love that it's very versatile. I can put it up when I go to the gym. It's not hard to work with. So they sell clip-ins and they sell wigs. They also promote natural hair. We have women like us who like to wear their natural hair variety. So our natural hair can fit all shapes, styles, whatever you're feeling for the day, this hair can fit you. And as you guys will see, of course, I have a discount code for you guys down below. It's going to be 5% off using Queen Dafe. That is going to be the discount code. Make sure you guys check it out. You know how you feel about it. Let me know how you guys love it. You know what I'm saying? I know that you will. I want to kind of tell you guys a little bit why I like to wear extensions or clip-ins, because when I'm having like a busy week, I can literally just throw these up and it looks like my hair. I like to just switch it up. Sometimes I love my hair, right? But at the same time, sometimes I want to switch it up. Sometimes I want bigger hair. Sometimes I want longer hair. And I love that the clip-ins, you can achieve that style. In the video, I washed this hair prior because this hair is beautiful, but it did have a smell to it, and you can easily cancel that out by literally just washing it with shampoo and using AC vinegar rinse. Okay, so you guys, I don't want to talk too much. I want to show you guys a tutorial of how I achieved this look. And you guys, don't forget to check out CutiePieTresses. They are an amazing, amazing brand. I have a lifetime customer. That's me, y'all, and now I want it to be you. Don't forget, you guys, that discount code is right down below, and I'll see you guys in the video. In order to achieve this look, for me, it all depends on the look you're trying to go for, but I'm not leaving too much of my hair out because I want this to look natural. As the back as well. So this is the back, and as you guys can see, I braided my hair up. I braided that off camera. Oh, let's get to the fun stuff. So I'm going to pin my hair back. So we have 7 wefts, you guys. This is 20-inch clip-ins. I like to start at the nape of my neck. So I'm right where, like right here in this area. Usually what I'll do is I'll guesstimate, like, okay, this one has 3 clips. So now it's about right here. I'm going to just clip it in. You want to make sure that the clip-in has something to hang on to. So your hair, you want to make sure that you really get that clip-in in your hair. Okay, it's gonna have 4 clips. Oh, I'm sorry, 5 clips. So this one is perfect because the clip-in needs to come all the way to the front. I'm sorry, it needs to touch on both sides, so it needs to be even. So this is perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and, okay, so I like to measure it out about right here, and I'll probably start on the side. Actually, I'm gonna start in the middle with clipping. Cool. Ooh, this hair is so beautiful. I'm gonna use one with 4 clips. I did before on the side. I like to always feel 2. I'm gonna now use a 2 weft. I love these 2s because they save me every single time. Now you don't have to use all of the wefts, you guys, but I do because I just love big hair. So what we're gonna do is put that weft here. Probably put this weft right here. And what you want to do is connect that weft to your braid. You're always gonna get the best results when you really connect that weft. So you guys see how flat it lays, and it lays so flat because of the braids. Alright guys, we have one more 4 clip in. I'm gonna turn it this way. Hope y'all can see. So instead of putting in like this, boom, I'm gonna put it in like this, backwards basically. So the hair's direction is going back. Left is my 2 clip. Alright, so now we're gonna take my hair out, and it's perfect my hair is dry. I'm probably not gonna put too much on it because again I want this to look very natural. I don't think I'm gonna do anything really, you guys, with my curls, because the thing is it matches the hair now because it's dry. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna wet it a bit. And I'm just gonna put like a clip on it. And these are our finished results, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys the back too. Alright you guys, I hope you love this tutorial. Don't forget you guys, check out CutiePieTresses for the most natural, affordable clip-ins, wigs, anything that you're looking for, anything your heart desires, they have. And don't forget you guys, use my discount code down below. You'll get 5% off using Queen Dafe. Again, that is 5% off using Queen Dafe. Alright you guys, as always, stay dope, and I'll see you guys next time.